Hello everyone, myself Sowmya, Assistant Professor in CSE AIML Department, MLR Institute of Technology. So in this video, we are going to discuss about PHP strings. So this video mainly focuses on what is a string, what are the different string functions, and we will also see some example applications. So first of all, what is a string? So we know string is a collection of characters. So in PHP, it will provide some predefined functions. So the first function is string length. So it will provide the length of the given string. So here, I'm just calling the string length function by passing a string. So string length function will take one parameter of type string. So it will calculate the length of the string. So the output is 12 here. Coming to the second function, string underscore word underscore count. So the name itself, it is telling it will count the number of words in the given string. So string underscore word underscore count will take a sentence or a statement string value and it will count the number of words available in the given sentence. So in this program we have, in this example we have 2 words. So the count is 2 here. Coming to the third function, string reverse. The name itself, it is telling that it will find the reverse of a string. So string reverse function will take a string and it will generate the reverse of the particular string. And string position. So if you want to find out a particular word position in the main string, then you can use this function string position. So string position will take 2 strings, 2 parameters. So the first one is the main string and the second one is the substring. So it will find out the position of substring in the main string. So the world, you are searching for the world in the hello world, then this will be started with the index 6. So from the 6th index, the word is going to be started. So it will return the first index of the word in the main string. Coming to the next one, string underscore replace. So it will replace a particular word in the main string. So the syntax is here string underscore replace will take 3 parameters. The first one is the word which you want to replace. The second is the word which you want to replace with. And the third one is the main string. So the main string is hello world, but I want to replace the world with dolly. Then the output I will get is hello dolly. So next is string comparison. strcmp, it will compare 2 strings. So that means it will take 2 parameters. The first parameter and the second parameter will be compared. If both are same, then it will return 0. If the first string is greater, then it will return a positive value. If the second string is greater, then it will return a negative value. So here I am getting the output as 0. That means both are same, equal. Next is string to lower. It will convert, if any uppercase letters are there, then it will convert it into lowercase. So string to lower, I am giving PHP as capital letters, but in the output I am getting all small case letters. And next is string to upper. So here whatever the lowercase letters are there, that will be converted into uppercase in the output. So next is trim function. So trim function, it will remove unnecessary spaces. Trailing spaces or before that, before string or after string, if you have any unnecessary spaces, that will be removed using trim function. So here for this trim function, I am passing a string PHP with some spaces before and after. Then these spaces will be removed in the output. So we will try to execute all these programs. So string length of hello. So the hello length is 5. So I should get 5. So the output is 5. So next is underscore word underscore count. So I have 2 words here. I should get 2. So the output is 2. So next function is string reverse and string position. String reverse. So it is giving hello world in the reverse. So str underscore position. So in the world, I am checking the position for word. So the first string is the main string and the second one is the substring. So there is no underscore here. So the position of word is 6 here. So next function is string underscore replace. So I want to replace world with Dolly and the main string is hello world. So the output is hello Dolly. So next is strcmp. It will compare two strings. So it is giving 0. Why? Because the both are equal. So now I can give some A. Both are different. So now I am getting a positive value. That means the first letter is greater. So now if I give A and W here, I am getting a negative value. That means the second string is greater than the first string. So next is lower upper. String to lower. I am giving some capital letters. So I am getting all small letters. So next is string to upper. I am giving small case letters. Then in the output I am getting capital letters. And next is trim. Any leading spaces or trailing spaces will be removed in the output. So that spaces I don't get in the output, that will be trimmed. So that is about string functions. So in this video we have discussed about different string functions with the example applications. Thank you.